कल की तैयारियाँ for Christmas Day, and that's our stage is preparing. We are going to perform tomorrow. ये है कल का नज़ारा होगा इससे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत. Please sign up. Open with a smile. Okay. Merry Christmas. Okay. Oh, so good. Very nice. Thank you. ये है अभी रात का नज़ारा और ये है हमारा कल का स्टेज जिस पर हम परफॉर्म करेंगे कल. सो मैं आपको फ्रंट से एक बार दिखा देती हूँ फ्रंट का व्यू. और फ्रंट का व्यू ये होगा. फ्रंट का व्यू आई थिंक इट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टेज लास्ट ईयर से ना.
Last year it was the whole ride.
So and there is something red I don't know what it is. क्या है ये? क्या हो सकता है ये क्या हो सकता है? I don't know.
No idea.
And then the rest of the things.
Mom, you can show that. वहाँ पे stalls है.
यहाँ पे भी स्टॉल्स लगेंगे. That's a pool.
One of the
Heated
stall
pool.
is ours.
Heated pool.
One of the stall is ours.
हाँ.
मम्मा का है.
वो
मेरा है.
कौन सा वाला?
मेरा है.
कौन सा
I
वाला?
think it's that one, but I don't know कोई और लेगा या फिर नहीं. I'll go at my home and ask him.
Okay. Then this vlog will be continued tomorrow. कल इसका मैं आपको बताऊंगी आगे क्या होने वाला है. नज़ारा. The beautiful. Wore this outfit today for the Christmas. It's like and the necklace and then the bracelet.
हैंड ओवर ले लो इनसे.
Here
I
are the
don't know.
stalls
Now we are at the stalls.
of clothes.
Yes.
Here you can see.
And then This one is.
You can try the board.
Then what else we have?
नरेश सिंगार रोल फ्राई करके मैम को देंगे पहले, ठीक है? हमारे यहाँ तो एक बार आता है लेकिन किचन खुल गया ना।
कौन सा करना है? आप बताओ, हम कर लेंगे।
I think we're gonna end this year.
हाँ कोमल।
And
This is, you can say now.
this is brownie. This is like this. I don't know what you call it. It's like a cupcake shape. This is noodles. This is like an exotic salad. This is like mixed capsicums, and this is like cucumber.
Okay. That's also brownie.
Yeah. Function, and so now we're gonna go to the secret place. Like you could say so. We have to go this way. I accidentally took the wrong. Hello everyone. Yeah, she's Sky now. Thank you. A very cute person, but she does not admit that she. So over here it is just like this, like stuff. And then now we're gonna go from the left. It's a special, like you can also see. Now we're gonna go on, and we're gonna first go to the first floor, the first special floor. The second floor is more special.
Yeah.
Now you can see. Ooh. We're going. And stop. Look at the sunset, guys.
Oh, it's so
No, it's a little dangerous, so be careful. Now look over here. And anyway, should I show you something? So you see this code? This is over here. This was the yoga room. Over here, there's just towers, somebody's house. And over here, you can see downstairs like the whole VIP. And now, if I show you the Christmas decoration, are you excited to see? Okay, from upstairs, the Christmas decoration is here. See, there's so you can see over here. This is floor, and you see this person who is very long. It's very special to do this. And did you see that juggling person? He just went. So here there are lots of stuff. There's so many stalls. Oh, some very yummy bakery. And there's the whole pool. And the stalls go all the way till here. It's just that you can't see because the trees are covering it. And there are lots of stuff. There's also this big stage where we did a performance. So you can see there are lots of stuff over here. Like it's a whole picnic. You can do anything what you want. And we're not These are the houses. Yeah. Where people. Okay. Now let's go to the second floor.
Guys, these are my two kids, Kaina and Saina, rhyming.
Rhyming name. But we are not sisters. We both will. Wait, पहले साइना. नहीं मैं कैसे उठाऊँ? नहीं. भाई यार एक टांग आ. यहाँ. राइट टांग. अच्छा ठीक है.
दोनों हाथ से.
पहले साइना.
Wow.
पहले उठा. Yeah, I think.
Oh my God.
ये बारी मैं.
Nice.
Now wait, let's show it.
फोन मत गिरा देना.
मैं क्या है? Now over here, this whole balcony, you can see all of it. Here.
अच्छे से पकड़ो फिर.
Now I
अच्छा ठीक है मैं पकड़ूंगा. Oh, this is the roof where she was running.
And over here in Independence Day, we fly kites.
So guys, this is the correct roof. here where Shraddha was running and shooting for her movie. तू झूठी मैं मक्कार. That's Shraddha Kapoor, guys.
Guys, that's Shraddha Kapoor.
Okay. Saina, I want to shoot a video there. वहाँ पे पूल के पास कभी तो.
You want to go?
अभी तो नहीं, मैं तो गई हूँ वहाँ पे, गई हूँ.
Let's go now.
नहीं अभी नहीं है ये this we want to explore.
Swimming कर ले आप अपने इससे कर लेना. You can do it with your this. I can
मुझे swimming
do
नहीं
it with.
आती है.
अरे कोई बात नहीं सिखा देंगे. कुछ नहीं होता.
फिर मैं एक्स्ट्रा क्लोथ्स लेके आऊंगी तब करेंगे.
अरे मैं
Have you watched the movie? वो तू झूठी में मक्कार देखी है?
हाँ
तो कहाँ-
सिनेमा में.
तो कहाँ तक रनिंग करते हो यहाँ से लेके
वहाँ
यहाँ
से
तक?
वहाँ.
मैं रन करके दिखाऊंगी आपको श्रद्धा कपूर की तरह, ठीक है गाइस?
Hi guys, these are the most cutest two girls. She's so cute, but she never
Big
admits
sentence.
that. Look, she's so cute. Look, she's so chubby.
Oh, but this is good. This isn't cute.
अरे बस ऐसे भी आ सकता था, अच्छा लगता. आई अभी नहीं आ सकता ना.
So guys,
We're having rose cotton candy. So we're gonna show how they make it. So basically, the first go like that. Get it some. We choose rose.
and
There was
and
so
other
many
flavors.
Yeah,
are
there were also so many flavors like banana, pineapple,
mango.
mango, orange, blackcurrant, strawberry. So this is how it is.
And here's our cotton candy girls are here with our cotton candy.
It's a rose flavor.
Rose flavor.
Cotton candy is looking like a cup and this even.